Alright y'all, let's get into this build. You're going to need a hacksaw, but I like using power tools, so I'm going to use this Dremel here to basically just cut off the bottom of the crate. You're going to go all along the side here, like so. Make sure you get all four corners along the side, and just basically cut the bottom of the crate, you guys. Once you have your lid cut off, place it on top of the crate. You're going to need some way to make the drill holes into this lid to connect it to the crate. I'm using this drill here, and I'm going to drill probably 4 holes in the lid. Remember to smash that like button, you guys, and feel free to hit that subscribe/follow button. It really does help the channel grow tremendously, you guys. Is there anything else that I'm missing here on this crate? Something that you guys might have done differently? Comment below, you guys. So once your holes are drilled on the kayak lid and on the lip of the kayak crate, you're going to need some way of securing the lid to the crate. I personally use these UV resistant zip ties. It's the easiest and the most affordable way to go. And honestly, I haven't had a problem with them in the past in my previous crates. They hold up pretty well. I think I only replaced like 1 or 2 zip ties in the past 2 years on my old crates. So they hold pretty well, you guys, but they have to be the UV resistant zip ties. Like I mentioned in my past video, you do not want to tighten the zip ties all the way. Make sure you leave them a tad bit loose just to adjust them. If you tighten them all the way, your lid will not open. Alright, you guys, so we're going to prep the rod holders to be painted. We're going to make sure we take off all these stickers off of them and just prep them to be painted, you guys. So I'm going to be painting these rod holders black. I'm using just whatever paint I had here at hand. It's your standard primer paint. It has a little bit of gloss to it. Alright y'all, we're going to secure the lid of the kayak crate with some paracord. This paracord is simply just to prevent the kayak lid from opening all the way back. So you're going to want to drill a hole right in this corner here to weave the paracord through it. At the very top of the kayak crate, you're going to want to cut that paracord and make sure you burn the ends off with a lighter just to keep the line from fraying. Also, you're going to want to make sure and tie a nice good overhand knot. I tied 2 overhand knots here just to prevent the paracord from slipping out through the hole. We're going to attach the rod holders here with some zip ties once they're fully dry. Like I mentioned before in my previous video, you're going to drill holes to the side of the kayak crate and just zip tie the rod holders down. I did forget to record how to make this basket here in the front of the kayak. It's a simple basket, you know, just tie it down with zip ties. So it's nothing really complicated to it. So we're just going to attach this last rod holder here, and that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. It's a pretty simple build. We got this nice storage compartment in here that I forgot to record. Just 2 simple cuts here and put them together with some zip ties. Same thing for the outside one. Tons of storage space in this kayak crate. The compartments inside the crate make it easy to separate your storage items, and the outside compartment as well, you can place some big tackle boxes in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to smash that like button and share this to your buddy that needs a kayak crate.